Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this device. Firstly, open Play Store and type iOS Launcher. Then you need to download this app from this developer. Now open it. Click while using the app, tap on Allow and click Home button. Sorry. Now you need to click on Home button as I said before and tap on iOS Launcher. Choose Always, click Got it. And as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!